If you are in the market for a ultra bright construction or warehouse light, then you're going to want to check out this light right here because it's going to have everything that you could possibly need to ensure that you're going to have a smooth and easy installation process. This ultra bright light is going to have 140 lumens per watt, making it ultra efficient. Because this dock light produces up to 4,200 using Cree single light. This light is going to have a heavy duty design. It has a safety rugged cast aluminum housing along with anti-corrosion stainless steel materials. This light is also going to have a very strong anti-impact resistance. It has 40 inches of folding arms and a 360 rotatable lamp head. Combined, this is going to make sure that it is going to be a super easy process for you to transfer the light as needed. Other features include it being IP65 waterproof, making it suitable for lighting in inspection areas. Last but not least, it is going to have about 50,000 hours of lifespan, and due to the long lifespan that it is going to have, it's going to avoid the repeated process of replacement.